Good evening and welcome to Just Event Online News at 9. I am Awaniiyoaye Ismail. The news headlines.
Winning an election, no call for celebration, Awaniiyoaye says. Ilorin schools are buzzed with Children's Day celebration as Commissioner visits. Kwara government commissions renovated Magaji Ngeri Basic Health Center. 1,000 Kwara Southerners benefit healthcare insurance enrollment through Lekan Adewoye Foundation.
Now the news in details.
Ramat Lawal Awaniiyoaye, the newly elected chairman of the Association of Nigerian Broadcasters, Kwara State Chapter, has emphasized that winning an election is not a reason to celebrate until a successful tenure is achieved. She made a statement on Tuesday after being announced as the winner of the election, which was held in Ilorin, the state capital. The election, deemed free and fair by the chairman of the Electoral Committee, Olatunji Kolawole, who saw her emergence as the substantive chairman along 8 other unopposed positions. The Electoral Committee commended all contestants for their maturity during the process. Awaniiyoaye called for unity and progress within the organization while pleading for the support of members and elders alike. She emphasized the importance of working together to achieve the organization's goals and objectives. Alhaji Dan Kazim, a leader in Ambroid, appreciated all members and commended the Electoral Committee for their diligent work. He advised the new executives to commit to successful tenure. The election was observed by industry others, including Bola Olojoku, Sulaiman Akikojode Ilorin, Alhaji Shola Seriki, Sulaiman Ogboye, among others. The Kwara State Commissioner for Education and Human Capital Development, Hajia Saadatu Modibo Kawu, marked Children's Day with a special visit to schools in Ilorin Metropolis. The commissioner's itinerary include Abata Gambari Senior Secondary School, St. William's RCM, and Jubek Model Smart School, Adeta. During her visit, the commissioner distributed educational materials to students, demonstrating the state government's commitment to education. She also met with 2 exceptional students, Kehinde Rashidat Gobiri and Lukman Ayomide Roilat, who excelled in the national literary and writing competition while commending their achievements. Emphasizing the importance of student input in shaping educational reforms, Hajia Saadatu encouraged students to embrace a culture of reading. Our visit reinforced the state government's proactive approach to education and its dedication to supporting students' success. The Kwara State Government has commissioned the renovated Magaji Ngeri Basic Health Center, Ilorin, and donated medical equipment to the facility. The State Commissioner for Health, Dr. Amina El-Imam, said the governor prioritizes the health and well-being of the citizens. She said the renovated health center and donated equipment will improve the quality of healthcare services provided to the community.
It's very densely populated. We are expecting that you will utilize this facility to the fullest, and we don't want anything to hold you back from enjoying the dividends of democracy in the health sector.
The Special Advisor on Special Duties, Honorable Abdrazak Jida, commended Governor Abdurrahman for his investment in health across the state.
We want to celebrate our birthday, but rather we are here to celebrate our dear Governor, Malam Abdurrahman Abdurazak. Without him putting all of us in mind, I don't think this gathering will be possible this month. Across the 16 local governments and 193 wards in the state, he has done his best to provide healthcare facilities for everybody, because he believes it's very, very important for human existence. We thank our commissioner who happens to drive the machine to achieve the aims and objectives of our dear government, and the executive secretary.
While reacting, Magaji Alhaji Zubair also appreciated the government for upgrading the health facility. The commissioning and donation demonstrate the Kwara State government's commitment to enhancing healthcare services and improving the overall well-being of its citizens. A Kwara-based non-governmental organization, Lekan Adewoye Foundation, founded by an Arundel-born philanthropist, Prince Lekan Adewoye, has presented the sum of 6 million naira check to enroll 1,000 vulnerable individuals in the health insurance scheme, Kwara Care, of the Kwara State Health Insurance Agency. The Oyo local government coordinator of the foundation, Alhaji Ahmed Kolawole, said the foundation has been dedicated to uplifting the lives of people at the grassroots for many years and committed to access quality healthcare. He noted that the enrollment will cover beneficiaries from all wards of Kwara South to guarantee equal opportunities. He said the foundation has been working tirelessly to provide support and resources to vulnerable populations. While acknowledging the stride of the present administration of Governor Abdurrahman Abdurazak, Alhaji Kolawole affirmed that the foundation has also invested in the education, food security, and economic empowerment of some groups and individuals with aim of assisting less privileged.
All sufficient. The program that came out about a month ago, like was the first of its kind in the whole of Kwara South, on food security. We have implemented feeding programs to alleviate hunger and malnutrition during this turbulent period. Healthcare. We have been supporting healthcare facilities, providing medical equipment, and supporting healthcare workers in ensuring that everyone has access to quality healthcare, regardless of their background or circumstances. Ladies and gentlemen, we believe that healthcare is a basic human right, not a privilege. And we are dedicated to bridging the gap in access to quality healthcare for the most vulnerable.
Commissioner for Health, Dr. Aminat Ahmed El-Imam, commended Lekan Adewoye Foundation for complementing the government's efforts towards providing affordable health care to the grassroots. The commissioner said the state government is determined and committed to the well-being of its citizens.
The Ministry of Health is to ensure that everyone is healthy. But what she does through the agency, Health Insurance Agency, is to ensure that people do not spend the little wealth that they have chasing health. And that's why this is a very important program to His Excellency the Governor of Kwara State, Madam Abdurrahman Abdurazak CON. If you ask what are the most important things you can do to keep money in the pockets of the people, health insurance will come number one. Because out-of-pocket expenses while chasing health can bankrupt a person and render the entire family bankrupt and socio-economically destabilized. And this is why several thousands, as the Executive Secretary has mentioned, are placed on free healthcare coverage by His Excellency Madam Abdurrahman Abdurrazak.
Also speaking, the Executive Secretary of Kwara Health Insurance Agency, Dr. Olubumi Jetawo Winter, said the implementation of the scheme started in the year 2020 with the enrollment of 10,000 indigents by the state government to have access to quality healthcare service.
In Kwara State, we're only mindful of the disease burdens that are common in Kwara. We don't import diseases that we want to cover. So through tedious checks and data gathering from all health institutions, both public and private, we have been able to design a benefit package that addresses only our own health burdens. And those are the things that we are covering in our health benefit package. We started to think about innovative ways of spreading the word across the state. And this year, we have done some things differently than we used to do before. We commenced opening regional offices